Hi everyone, we're going to solve these two logarithmic equations. I'm going to use two different methods. So the first method is the most common method used, and that's with the definition here. So basically you're just changing it to exponential form because that's what you're used to. So your base is 3, your power is 2x plus 1, and your value is 243. Now, 243 is actually 3 to the 5th, so you have to know your powers. So 3 to the 5th. You should know 3 to the 4th is 81, and then it's just easy from there. So since our bases match, now we only have to deal with the exponents. So you have 2x plus 1 equals 5. Subtract the 1. So you get 2x equals 4, so x equals 2. The other method would be to write this as log base 3 and go ahead and write this. 243 is 3 to the 5th equals 2x plus 1. And then what we're going to do is use the power property, which is, where is the power property? Right here. Use the power property and bring this 5 out front here. So you have 5 times log base 3 of 3 equals 2x plus 1. Now, log base 3 of 3, this part right here, just equals 1. Log of a base log base of a base equals 1 because any base to the first power equals the base. So if this is just 1, you have 5 times 1 is 5 equals 2x plus 1. And you're back right where you started. So your solution set is 2. And we can do the same thing with this one. The most common way is just use the definition. So you take your base, raise to the 5x plus 3 power equals 36. And I'm going to go ahead and write this as 6 squared. Alright, then you just solve the 6 matches. So now just solve for your exponents. You want the left side to look like the right side. So you have to solve for x. If you subtract the 3, you get 5x equals negative 1. Then divide both sides by 5. You get negative 1/2 or 1/5. Now, the other way would have been to write this as log base 6 of, go ahead and write this as 6 squared equals 5x plus 3. Move this 2 in front using the power property. So it's 2 times log base 6 of 6 equals 5x plus 3. This equals 1 right there. So that just is 2 times 1 is 2 equals 5x plus 3. And we're right back to where we started. So therefore your solution set is negative 1 divided by 5. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.